Hey y'all! Welcome to Quick Crypto Tips. Girl, let me tell you, getting into crypto used to feel like trying to understand why Molly be trippin'. Like, it seemed complicated, right? But listen, it doesn't have to be. Today, I'm showing you how to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum in just a few easy steps. It's about to be so easy, even Kelly could do it. If you're new to crypto, don't worry, I'll make it simple and quick. Let's jump in. First things first, we gotta pick an exchange. Think of it like choosing your crypto sidekick like Tiffany and Kelly, but, for digital money. Coinbase is your girl if you're just starting out. It's super easy to use, their app is fire, and they keep your coins safe, like a vault. Binance is the homie if you're ready to level up, with low fees and more advanced tools, like Issa trying to figure out her next career move. And then there's Kraken, which is all about that extra security, margin trading, and supporting a whole crew of cryptocurrencies. Don't trip, though. Each platform has tutorials and customer support, so you're never really alone. Okay, so you've picked your exchange. Now it's time to create an account. It's like getting your VIP pass to the crypto club. You'll need to sign up with your email and choose a password. And girl, make it strong. None of that password 123 mess, okay? Think of it like protecting your coins from the Lawrences of the world. Most exchanges are going to ask for some ID verification, so make sure you have your driver's license or passport handy. It's all legit, promise. Chapter 3. Cash me outside, funding your account. Now comes the fun part, adding funds to your account. Think of it like finally getting paid after that freelance gig. Most exchanges let you connect your bank account, debit card, or even PayPal. Just choose the method that works best for you, enter the amount you want to deposit, and boom, you're ready to buy some crypto. Chapter 4. Bitcoin and Ethereum. Let's make a move. Okay, it's time to officially join the crypto club. Once your funds are sitting pretty in your account, search for Bitcoin, BTC, or Ethereum, ETH, in the app. It's like scrolling through your contacts, but instead of finding your girls, you're finding digital gold. Enter how much you want to buy, double-check everything, and hit that purchase button. Congrats, sis. You're officially a crypto owner. You did that. Chapter 5. Protecting your coins, no F-boys allowed. Now that you're a crypto queen, you gotta protect your coins like they're your heart after a breakup. We're talking Fort Knox level security, okay? Hardware wallets like the Ledger Nano X and Trezor Model T are like having your own personal vault. Perfect for storing your crypto long-term. If you need something for everyday transactions, MetaMask is like your trusty digital wallet, but way cooler. Trust me, using a wallet is the best way to keep your crypto safe from hackers and any shady characters lurking online. Outrow, you did it! And that's it. Buying Bitcoin and Ethereum is that simple. See? I told you it wasn't that deep. Now you out here in these crypto streets just like that. If this was helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more quick crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. And hey, if I can figure it out, you definitely can. Thanks for watching, and happy investing. Bye, y'all!